Why am I dressed like a unicorn? Well, it's because I just unboxed a huge, massive pallet behind me, and I want to tell you exactly how much money I'm going to make. All right, I am Unicorn Heather from Pickin today, and so I want to give you the specs on this particular pallet. It was a Bulq.com pallet of uninspected returns. If you have not seen the whole marathon of 512 items, please watch. I've got it tagged at the end of the video. It retailed originally for $10,000. It was a women's apparel, dream suit, belly bandit assets, and a unicorn PJs. My cost was $556, $76 in shipping. $632 was my total. $76 was based off of me going to pick up items from the Bulq.com warehouse, which they currently don't do right now. But hopefully with me being a guinea pig, it'll be something available for you. So I averaged out my cost of renting a truck and all that. So that's why the $76 number. $1.24 per item. Your cost is $556 plus $200 to flat rate ship it directly to your house, which would make your cost $756 if you bought it yourself, for a total of $148 per item. So I think I can make $2,748 based off of what I saw in this pallet and going through each individual item. Subtract my $632, I think reasonably I can make $2,116 off of everything that came out of this pallet. And let me tell you how I break it down. I love this costume. It's amazing.
This is amazing. Look
amazing unicorn. Yes. Heather from Pickin unicorn style. All right, so
give me the side angle.
Oh, the side angle?
That is beautiful. She has a
anyway.
tail, but we won't show you the
all right,
tail.
so anyway, what I did when I was unboxing is I do a rough sorting, and then I go back through and I sort it as I box it. So what this pile is all winter items, which I probably won't list until about August time frame. And so this PJ set will probably be included. This still has the tags on it. And don't worry, I'm only wearing it for the length of this video, so it's not going to get dirty. And then I've got a lot of jeans in here that I'm still going to sort, but this is kind of my general pile where you can sell this any time of the year. So they're going to be full-length jeans, they're going to be lightweight sweaters, and they're going to be t-shirts of various different kinds, and maybe even some lightweight jackets. So that's kind of my general pile. Back here, I've got a lot of intimates, socks, underwears, things like that were not really contained in packages. So I'm going to sort through and maybe make bundles out of those. So like all the size 9 underwears are all going to go in one big bundle. Then over here, I've got my summertime stuff. So this is going to be mostly shorts and swimwear, as well as any of my shoes, regardless of whether or not the shoes are winter style or regular style. I'm going to list them right now because they always sell. So even long knee-high boots you can't find in the store right now, you can sell on Poshmark great right now. But this is all my swimwear. I got a ton of it. And a lot of this also is bras, which is still have the tags, and those are actually going to be sold on Amazon. So I can sell a lot of the intimate wear on Amazon, but the majority of this is going to go on Poshmark. And like I said, I think I can make the $2,000 money dollar amount, but that's going to be over the course of even selling through the winter items. And so I definitely think it's worth it to buy a pallet like this. I'm hoping to sell things a lot faster than the, all the way through winter time frame, but I definitely think that you should look into getting one of these pallets if you sell on any kind of a platform like Amazon or Poshmark, or even garage sales. You can flip stuff for great, because $1.24 per item, you can probably make more than that at a garage sale. So maybe, depending on what kind of a town you live in. So hopefully it's been helpful, and you've loved seeing me in this ridiculous unicorn costume, and seeing what you can make off of a 512 clothing item from Bulq.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.